Hey guys, Captain Jess here. I just came inside from 45-mile-an-hour winds outside. I didn't get to go out in the river today, so took the fly rod, caught a few bass, and I think I got a couple on video. So I'm gonna post them up here for you to look at them, and hopefully tomorrow I'll be back on the river for some redfish. My assistant is going to take it off the hook for me. Put it up, put it. Oh yeah.
He's a bad. He's looking bad.
Alright, going back. Released. Good job.